When we as strangers sought their catering care, veiled smiles bespoke their thought of what we were. They warmed as they opined us more than friends, that we had all resigned for love's dear ends. And that swift sympathy with living love, which quicks the world, maybe the spheres above, made them our ministers, moved them to say, "Oh God, that bliss like theirs would flush our day." And we were left alone as love's own pair, yet never the love light shone between us there, but that which chilled the breath of afternoon, and palsied unto death the pain-fly's tune. The kiss their zeal foretold, and now deemed come, came not. Within his hold love lingered numb. Why cast he on our port a bloom not ours? Why shaped us for his sport in after hours? As we seemed we were not that day afar, and now we seem not what we aching are. Oh, suffering sea and land, oh laws of men, ere death once let us stand as we stood then. The Assyrian came down like the wolf on the fold, and his cupparts were gleaming in purple and gold, and the sheen of their spears was like stars on the sea, when the blue wave rolls nightly on deep gully. Like the leaves of the forest when summer is green, that host with their banners at sunset was seen. Like the leaves of the forest when autumn hath blown, that host on the morrow lay withered and strown. For the angel of death spread his wings on the blast, and breathed in the face of the foe as he passed, and the eyes of the sleepers waxed deadly and chill, and their hearts but once heaved and forever grew still. And there lay the steed with his nostril all wide, but through it there rolled not the breath of his pride, and the foam of his gasping lay white on the turf, and cold as the spray of the rock-beating surf. And there lay the rider, distorted and pale, with the dew on his brow and the rust on his mail, and the tents were silent, the banners alone, the lances unlifted, trumpet unblown. And the widows of Asher are loud in their wail, and the idols are broke in the temple of Baal, and the might of the Gentile, unsmote by the sword, hath melted like snow in the glance of the Lord.